Welcome students. I am Shivnaya Rathore from Bharat Mata Public School. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are study now exercise 2 from class 8th exponents and power. You know you are study in the last year class 7 exponents and powers. We know that when we write any number like that 25, we do the factors of 25 5 into 5, and we are also write these 5 to the power 2. This number 25 is equal to 5 into 5 and is equal to these 5 into 5. We know we write 5 to the power 2. Then 5 is the base and 2 is exponent and power. There are two names, exponent and power are same name. And the other example 100, you know 100, we are factors of 100, 10 into 10, we can write 10 to the power 2. The similarly there 10 is the base and 2 is the exponent. 2 is the exponent. Similarly we called exponent and power. Anyone, exponent and power are, they are the same name. Okay, so today I am complete today solve the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. The first question is revision है. We know we have already learned about exponent and power in the class 7, so these exercises are very easy. The first question is express the following in the exponential form. Express the following in exponential form. First 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So we can write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. There 4, their base is 4, and how many times? 1 2 3 4 and 4 times. So this is a exponent form. This is a exponent form. Exponential form. This is a answer. You understand? Similarly, an other example 7 into 7 into x into x. Here 7 is a base and 7 is 2 times, so 7 to the power 2 into x. 7 and x is 7 is a variable and x is a non-variable. 7 and x, two different numbers, two different digits. 7 is a digit and x is a alphabet, so 7 to the power 2 and x to the power 2. These answer 7 to the power 2 and x to the power 2. This is a answer. Yeah, this is a form of exponential. Okay, then second question number 2. Question number 2, find the value of second first minus 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3. Find the value. We can solve minus 3, right? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Why we, why we are right minus 3 minus 3 minus 3? Because minus 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3. So I am right minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus minus plus and minus is minus. 3 3 is a 9 and 3 is a 27. This is a answer of minus 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, and next minus 1 to the power 6 minus 1 to the power 6. So we can write minus 1 into 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 minus 1. There are minus 1 to the power 6. So we write 6 times minus 1 into 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next minus minus plus minus minus plus minus minus plus 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 plus. You know, plus into plus is also plus and plus into plus is also plus. So answer is plus. 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 1 into 1 and answer is 1. You know, there are two solved. I am solved the two question. You observe this pattern. You understand? Observe this pattern. There are power is odd number. 3 is a odd number. So answer is negative. Minus power is odd number. So answer is negative. Here minus power is even. Minus power is even. So answer is positive. There we find one formula. Any number minus x to the power m, m is odd, so answer is negative, and minus x to the power n, n is positive, so n is even, so answer is positive. Okay, here question number 3rd, find the value. We also find the value, and there are different patterns of question. First question, minus 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 1 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. Solve the minus 5 to the power 3. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 into minus 1 and 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. So next minus 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 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 times. We know the power of minus is odd, so answer is negative. Good. Next 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125 into 1 1s are 1 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Then minus plus and minus. 8 5 ja 40, 8 2 ja 16 and 4 20, 8 1 ja 8 and 2 10. This is your answer. Okay. Next, minus 1 by 2 to the power 2, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So minus minus plus 2 2 cancel, 2 denominator and numerator cancel, 1 1 ja 1, 2 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. So answer is 2 by 27. This is the solve with the answer. Okay. And question number 4. Question number 4 is express in power notation. Express is power notation. The first question A is minus 125. A is minus 125. Solve this question. First we do the factorize of 125. Factorize of 125. 125 unit digit is 5, so we divided 5. 5 2 ja 10, remainder 2, 5 5 ja 25, then 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja. So minus 5 into 5 into 5, there are numbers is answer. Question is a negative, so minus 5 1 2 3 is 3. Minus 5 whole to the power 3. Minus 5 whole to the power 3. This is the answer. The power of notation, express in the power of notation, yeah, form of exponent. Form of exponent. Okay. Any other question? Question number C. Then 81 by 49. 81 by 49.